I'm Arif Irfanullah, and in this brief clip, I will share some study advice for Level 2 candidates. It is early May, and you have about 5 to 6 weeks for your exam. Ideally, at this stage, you should have completed at least one round of the curriculum, and you should be in review and practice mode. If you have not completed the curriculum and there are still readings that you have not gone over, I would highly recommend our high yield course. The high yield course has videos and notes. These high yield videos and notes will allow you to go over the remaining readings very quickly. As part of the high yield course, we also give you a list of questions from the curriculum which we believe are extremely important. Now, even if you have completed at least one round of the curriculum, the high yield course can still help you because it allows you to review material that you might be forgetting. The most important activity at this stage, though, is practice. And for practice, the best material is questions or case studies prepared by the CFA Institute. So I would strongly recommend that you do all the practice problems in the curriculum, especially those practice problems that are in case study and multiple choice format. After you've done all the practice problems in the curriculum, do all the online assessments. These are available on the CFA Institute website. They are organized by topic. So when you feel you have reviewed a given topic, do all the online questions for that particular topic. You should also do the mock exams provided by CFA Institute. This year, the CFA Institute has made available 2 mock exams. I would advise you to do the first mock exam as soon as possible because this will give you a sense for where you are. You can then do another round of revision and then take the second mock exam. If you feel that you have covered all the practice that the CFA Institute has made available for you, then you can also use IFT material. If you want to practice questions related to a particular reading, use our QBank. If you want to practice questions for a given topic, you can do our topic exams. And finally, you can also use our mock exams. But again, I want to emphasize that the best possible material is the material offered by CFA Institute. So make sure that you do this first and then come to IFT material after that. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.